Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Glorious Study Circle. I am Bisma Wahid. I hope that you all are fine. Today we will talk about word problem of primary mathematics. Here I have worksheet number 3 in front of me. This is primary mathematics Oxford edition and we are going to solve word problem. In my last video we discussed about which vocabulary words we can use for different word problems. Now let's talk about how to read a word problem and how to solve a word problem. Okay, let's start. Priya puts 18 stickers equally in 3 albums. How many stickers does Priya put in each album? Okay, now first let's make our notes. Priya puts 18 stickers equally in 3 albums. That means she divided or distributed. We can use either divided or distributed because what she did, she distribute 18 stickers in 3 albums. Okay, how many stickers does Priya put in each album? Now we have to make 3 albums: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That means we have to divide or distribute 18 stickers in 3 albums to find how many she can put in one album. So we will check 3 in 3's table where 18 will come. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, then 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18. So here we have our answer that 3 6 are 18. That means Priya put 6 stickers in each album. So here we will write 18, the total number of stickers, divided by 3 because total albums were 3. And the answer we have is 6. So Priya puts 6 stickers in each album. Okay, now we will talk about the second word problem. Let's read it. Ahmed has 24 marbles for his friends. The marbles are shared equally among his 4 friends. How many marbles does Ahmed give each friend? Here you can see again Ahmed is distributing or dividing his 24 marbles in between his 4 friends. So how many marbles does Ahmed give each friend? The word each was there in the first word problem as well and now in the second word problem as well. In my division word problem video, I have explained that the word each is a vocabulary word that shows that the given word problem is related to division. Now as we know that total marbles are 24, so we will write 24 here. And how many friends are there? 4 friends. So 4 friends. Which operation we will use? Divide. Why? Because the word each is showing that Ahmed is distributing or dividing 24 marbles among 4 friends. So we will divide 24 on 4 to get the answer. So 24 divided by 4. Now read 4's table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, and 4 six are 24. That means 4 times 6 are 24. So 24 divided by 4 equals to 6. That means Ahmed gives each friend 6 marbles. I hope the concept of division is more clear to you, so you can use these vocabulary words to find which word problem is this, and then according to the right mathematical operation you can solve the question and you can get your answer. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the video, click on the bell icon so you can get all upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself, bye.